Hello friends, I created this quick video on how to convert a photo into a printable 3D STL. The first step is to edit the original photo using AI such as ChatGPT. This is not mandatory, but I think it's a quick way to create a cleaner image that will be easier for converting to a printable STL file. Click the plus icon to add your photo. Type the following prompt. Using this photo, create a miniature-style figure. The figure should be based on the photo, with a relaxed pose and a friendly smile. Clean and neatly styled like a Mattel toy. Show the complete body in the picture, including the frame. Remove the background and make it transparent. As you can see the result, ChatGPT created a base. What I did next is to resubmit the newly generated photo and prompted to remove the base. With experience, you will learn how to create the perfect prompt. Now the second generated image is great. Save it somewhere for later. Now for the fun stuff, we will convert the photo to a 3D STL. I am using Maker Labs. Open the link makerworld.com, log into the site, or register if needed. On the top menu, choose Maker Lab. Click on AI Generators and select Image to 3D Model. Drag and drop the image that was generated using ChatGPT. Click Generate and wait a few minutes. Once created, you can download the file. It will ask you to choose a printer. Just choose something, that doesn't matter. Select the format. I recommend STL. I will import the file to Blender, and I will resize the model as necessary and create a base for the model. Open Blender and delete the default cube. Import the STL using the File menu. Change the viewport to front view. You can see some settings I did for being able to use the metric system millimeters. Add a cylinder, resize it as you need, and place it at the bottom. Select the 3D model and the base and export it. After that, all that is left is to use your preferred slicer.